Great lashes need great brows. That's why RevitaLash Cosmetics created high-def tinted brow gel precision brow styler, a multitasking unisex setting gel to frame your gorgeous eyes and add shape and definition for fuller-looking, more beautiful eyebrows. This original conditioning formula helps tame and control unruly brows while instantly creating the look of fuller, bolder, more beautiful brows. The new styling brush helps sculpt the perfect look by accommodating the finest, most delicate areas of the eye. High-def tinted brow gel features soft flex polymers and a buildable mineral tint gel to create impeccable brows with ease. Use the comb side of the unique styling tool to shape with short upward strokes, following the natural arch of the brow. Next, twist and pull the applicator from the base and apply gel, moving from the inner to the outer contours of the brows to sculpt and define. Finish with the brush side of our unique styling tool and build to intensify your look. High-def tinted brow gel wins the brow game by delivering bold shape and definition to create brows that wow.